In this video, I will show you exactly how to add photos to your projects using Adobe Express, which is one of the most powerful and intuitive design tools available today. Whether you are creating a social media post, a professional flyer, or just a personal collage, knowing how to properly insert and manage your imagery is a fundamental skill that will elevate your creative work. To get started, you will first need to have your project canvas open and ready to go. Once you're looking at your workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you will see several icons. You want to look for the button labeled Media. Clicking on this icon will open a submenu with a few different tabs at the top. You should make sure you are on the Photos tab to see the relevant options. From here, you have two primary ways to bring images into your design. The first option is to use the massive library of stock imagery provided by Adobe. You can simply type a keyword into the search bar at the top of the panel to find high-quality professional photos that fit your theme. When you find one you like, just click it or drag it directly onto your canvas. On the other hand, if you want to use your own personal files, you should look for the large Upload from Device button, which is usually located at the very top of that same media panel. Clicking this will open your computer's File Explorer. Now you can navigate through your folders and select the specific image or even multiple images that